The AA battery. The AA battery is the most widely used battery size in the world. It is a cylindrical cell measuring 51 millimeters in length and 14 millimeters in diameter, available in both disposable alkaline and rechargeable nickel metal hydride versions. AA batteries power an enormous range of everyday devices, including television remote controls, wall clocks, computer mice, portable radios, and children's toys. The alkaline chemistry used in standard disposable AA batteries was developed in the 1950s and has remained largely unchanged due to its reliable performance and long shelf life. Rechargeable AA batteries have become increasingly popular as a cost-effective and environmentally friendlier alternative to single-use cells. AAA battery. The AAA battery is the second most commonly used battery size globally, smaller than the AA, but sharing the same cylindrical shape. It measures 44 millimeters in length and 10 millimeters in diameter, making it suited for compact devices that require less power. Television remote controls, small flashlights, digital thermometers, and slim wireless keyboards frequently use AAA batteries. Because of their smaller size, they hold less energy than AA batteries and tend to run out faster in high-drain devices. Like AA batteries, they are available in both disposable alkaline and rechargeable formats, and the two sizes are often sold and used together across complementary devices in the same household. 9-volt battery. The 9-volt battery has a distinctive rectangular shape with both terminals located on the same end, a round positive terminal surrounded by a hexagonal negative terminal. This unique design makes it immediately recognizable among battery types. It has been a standard power source for smoke detectors for decades, which is why many people associate the 9-volt battery primarily with home safety. It also powers guitar effects pedals, certain medical devices, and professional audio equipment. The snap connector on top allows the battery to be attached and detached quickly without tools. Despite being less common in everyday consumer electronics than AA or AAA cells, the 9-volt battery occupies a specific and important niche in both home and professional settings. Button cell battery. Button cell batteries are tiny disc-shaped cells named for their resemblance to a small button or coin. They're used in devices where space is extremely limited and power requirements are minimal. Wristwatches, hearing aids, calculators, key fobs, and small LED lights all rely on button cell batteries for their compact and long-lasting power supply. The most common type is the lithium button cell, which provides a stable voltage over a long period, making it ideal for devices that run continuously at low power. Button cells come in a wide range of sizes identified by numerical codes, and selecting the correct replacement requires matching the exact code printed on the old battery. Lithium-ion battery. The lithium-ion battery is the dominant rechargeable battery technology powering the modern world. It is found inside virtually every smartphone, laptop, tablet, wireless earbud, and electric vehicle produced today. Lithium-ion cells store significantly more energy relative to their weight than older battery chemistries, which is why they enabled the development of slim and lightweight portable electronics. They are recharged by reversing the flow of lithium ions between two electrodes through a liquid electrolyte. Sony commercialized the first lithium-ion battery for consumer use in 1991, and the technology has been continuously refined ever since. Researchers John Goodenough, Stanley Whittingham, and Akira Yoshino were awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2019 for their foundational work in developing lithium-ion batteries. Lithium polymer batteries, often called LiPo batteries, are a variation of lithium-ion technology that uses a solid or gel-like polymer electrolyte instead of a liquid one. This allows them to be manufactured in flexible, ultra-thin, and custom shapes that standard cylindrical or rectangular lithium-ion cells cannot achieve. They're widely used in drones, radio-controlled vehicles, slim smartphones, and wearable devices where unusual form factors are required. LiPo batteries can deliver very high discharge rates, making them particularly valuable in high-performance applications like racing drones. They require careful handling and storage because damage or improper charging can cause swelling or, in rare cases, fire. Car battery. The car battery, technically known as a lead-acid battery, is a large rechargeable cell that provides the initial burst of electrical power needed to start a vehicle's engine. Once the engine is running, the alternator takes over and recharges the battery while simultaneously powering the vehicle's electrical systems. A standard car battery contains 6 cells connected in series, each producing approximately 2 volts for a total output of 12 volts. Lead-acid technology has been used in vehicles for over a century due to its reliability, low cost, and ability to deliver the high current needed for engine starting. Modern electric vehicles use an entirely different type of large lithium-ion battery pack for propulsion, though they still often include a small traditional lead-acid battery for auxiliary systems. Solar battery. Solar batteries are rechargeable storage systems designed specifically to store electricity generated by solar panels for use when sunlight is not available. During daylight hours, excess electricity produced by solar panels charges the battery, which then supplies power to the home or facility during nighttime or cloudy periods. This capability significantly increases the practical value of a solar energy system by reducing dependence on the electrical grid. Tesla Powerwall is among the most recognized residential solar battery products, offering a sleek wall-mounted lithium-ion storage unit for home use. As solar panel adoption has grown worldwide, solar battery storage has become an increasingly important technology for both individual households and large-scale energy infrastructure. Fuel cell battery. A fuel cell generates electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen rather than storing electrical energy like a conventional battery. The only byproduct of this reaction is water, making fuel cells one of the cleanest power generation technologies available. They're used in some hydrogen-powered vehicles, spacecraft, and large-scale stationary power systems. NASA has used fuel cells to power spacecraft since the 1960s. While fuel cell technology holds significant promise for clean energy applications, the challenges of producing, storing, and distributing hydrogen fuel have so far limited its widespread adoption in everyday consumer products. Solid-state battery. Solid-state batteries represent the next major evolution in battery technology, replacing the liquid electrolyte found in conventional lithium-ion batteries with a solid material. This change addresses several of the most significant limitations of current battery technology. Solid electrolytes are far less flammable than liquid ones, dramatically improving safety. They also allow for higher energy density, meaning more power can be stored in the same physical space. Faster charging times and longer overall lifespan are additional expected benefits. Major automotive manufacturers and technology companies are investing heavily in solid-state battery development, with the technology widely expected to power the next generation of electric vehicles. Commercial solid-state batteries for consumer products are expected to become available within this decade. That covers all the kinds of batteries we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple. We break down a new tech topic every week. Drop a comment below and tell us, which battery do you use the most in your daily life? See you in the next one.